Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Our YouTube don't finally respond to our appeal when we go live on Saturday where Arsenal they play against Norwich. Somebody can join us for the live broadcast. Can't change in picture to the picture of a man and a woman waiting for sex position, a pornographic image, and it dey against YouTube guidelines, the community guidelines and the terms of service. As in YouTube, they frown on nudity, pornography, and all those kinds of things. So they can't ban our channel, they remove our channel for YouTube. So as we send them appeal, they can reply or say, almost say they no go return the channel, so we don't breach their rules. And even though no be our fault, YouTube no understand. I explain to them, even give them the timestamps, make them check out. They say no. Well, we no go cry over spilled milk, so we say we can move forward now. So I say make I just let you know as they go. So we don't create another one. We go start from scratch again. And we say God will give us the ginger to build that one. We go still build them again. We no go kill ourselves now. Even though the team pay me gone because it just be like massive setback for our progress. Well, I don't know why anybody go come run me that kind of level, but it's all good, yeah. I go share the link. So any of you are waiting for YouTube, make una try join our channel again so that we'll try build that YouTube community, because the community don't really make sense. So we'll try build them back. And moving forward, sir, we get some programs so I want to run for that YouTube. We no go day for Facebook. Go see if I go live, like just strictly live on YouTube. If it be like YouTube Thursday, I will just choose a particular day. Now still Arsenal news we go to discuss there, but I just make the place they engaging, because I don't want to make it be seen like the same thing what they do for Facebook. I want to do for YouTube. It no go to make sense. So make it get some differences so we run for there. So I will drop the link for the comment section, the first comment at least when I see, so that you will join us for grow the channel back. So but at least I don't learn from that mistake. Make I see whether the person will come try them again. You know if it even happen again, sir, it's not possible. I cannot be done the same thing twice. On my familiar setting where they ask me, Arteta say how far, and I say wheelchair they find club where you go train with now. Say she whether you go fit allow him. So I think I can talk. Say which and a person will be say two of them they play together before. Say if the guy comes say, oh my baba, I won't join you now. Make I just follow at the train. Make I train world class footballers and world class equipment. So whether you go allow him, you say that one no be problem. Now say if the guy talks, he go come. So which yourself can respond say almost say this one sweet in Benin. Say coach will be say two of them play together and the coach still like him. Say come invite and say me come train with them. Say that one no lily and say him go link up with the boys, come follow them train. Which are 29 years and are free agents, nobody agree sign am. I don't just understand. This guy are one of the promising players during that Wenger era. Where people they talk say very promising, highly rated, young shall grow. See how the young shall grow they end up now. That's why a lot of us they talk say all these young shall grow. Don't be all the young go grow. If they don't grow, this money bust everywhere you get. This all don't pack plenty 20 something years old. Not be everybody go turn to superstar. So instead of becoming waste time like that, why not just buy somebody with a bust net now? See Lukaku for Chelsea now. Lukaku the bust net up and down as they just bring and come back. Now to check the talk say this is why we brought him. Now we bring IMA come bust net and he don't bust net. But Champions League yesterday still bust net again. When they play against Zenit St. Petersburg, and that match na tough match. See Ronaldo, they go talk say okay Ronaldo na world star, but the reason why they bring him to come bust net, Cavani na Adi Benjamin. But the boss net, so that's what it's supposed to be. We're supposed to bring our own star, even if now 1 year or 2 years the person will take shine, making shine, we can win something. Our marital spirit that they call Fabrizio Romano don't come outside talk say, you get some clubs with the reason Arsenal say they won't sign Bukayo Saka. But the problem is say for Saka, say Arsenal don't see the guy as untouchable. Nobody can sign him. Don't even think about. Don't go there at all. Say Saka, they won't build the team on him, and if follow for the people who say the reason say by the future, the next 5-4 years, see they go bust everywhere, they go rain, they go win things. But the problem with Arsenal hierarchy, don't understand. They say you see that next 4 years, you go get some kind of other players who know they for Arsenal who can they shine, who can they play heavily, they go they bust net everywhere. All this Man City, Madrid, Chelsea, they go use money to scatter that place, collect those people come, still they rule. So all these young shall grow. I just pray make them grow. Our Chris Sutton will be one of our favorite pundits. Don't come outside when they criticize Mikel Arteta, they blast time. You know, say not too long ago, Arteta talk say the last 10 to 15 days na im best days for Arsenal as a coach. So Babaka they talk say which kind of statement be that one? Actually, that one is sweet in Bele pass when Arsenal win FA Cup. Why you go talk say na the last 10 days na be your best days for Arsenal? What if Baba don't understand me say Arteta they talk from a different perspective. You get when they see him from not where the Baba they see him. For Arteta, you know say the last 10 days when you don't lose against Brentford, you lose against Man City, you lose against Chelsea, people don't they call for your head. No, the tension everywhere, pressure everywhere. Your tenure they uncertain. You don't know whether they go sack you or they don't go sack you. Even though the board don't come outside publicly say then get your back, but you know say fans know they happy with you now. You say if you human being now, you go to feel them now. If you work out for streets, people they hiss, they happy you get. Now Arsenal can win against Norwich. The morale can they uplifted. Why Baba don't go talking at the best day of the year now? Na normal level. So Chris Sutton don't really understand what they talk. Kevin Campbell self will be one of our favorite pundits. Don't come outside the talk say, you see this Leno situation now. Say make Arsenal offer Leno a new contract. Then if Leno no can accept that new contract, then make them not just put Leno for Benjamin. So make them see the play him, because if you no play him, if you won't sell him, in value will drop immensely because nobody won't buy shit packer. Anything you make you know the play him, nobody won't buy him well. But if you dey play him, if you won't sell him, you go fit sell him well. But why would you play person when you do calamitious now? Person when you do calamity up and down. Person the calamity keeper. One more they play him just because of what you go sell him at the end of Baba, I know they tell us that one about mainly for Benjamin. At the end of the day, if you want to go on free, may go on free. So now be the first person who go as a free transfer. After all, at the end of the summer, Lacazette, Motikiti, all of them will go free if they won't go. So no, they tell us that one about mainly for Benjamin. In time don't pass. Don't get better keeper now. Keeper be say if you play well, self, who knows? He can be England number one. I mean, no. Our Brentford striker, what they call Ivan Toney for media settings, that's what they ask him, say, when you play Arsenal, say, they see them now. This is like your first time, don't tell now sit together. So back on the talk, say, so when they small, when they grow, in the year Arsenal, fear will catch him. You know, anybody Arsenal they play, they expect Arsenal to like that person. But when they come play Arsenal, say the reverse now the case, so say Arsenal they very, very weak. This Arsenal side don't see, they don't go feel win anything, no, see they no good girl, they be shit packer. Well, me, I don't blame you now. Because of the squad when you play against now, you play when we don't get strength. Well, some people they coronavirus and some people they injured. No worry now. People they come Emirates Abi. You go see what will happen on that day now. Hold the watch. Our marital spirit where they call the Athletic. Don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal almost signed Emerson Royal with the right back for Barcelona before Tottenham Hotspur concern am. Say he do them don the reason back and say they won't sign the guy. Then Arteta can't scamp the guy because the deal be say if Arsenal sign Emerson Royal, then Bellerin will go back. That's what the deal be won't be. So when Arsenal can't reason am, say they won't sign am, he do come say okay, it's good to go. Arteta can't say no. Say this guy no go fit for my plans and my tactics. Say I no go like to sign this guy. Say instead, we go bring Tomiyasu for Bologna. If you play right back, centre back, defensive midfield, even left back, the guy is very, very highly versatile and the guy is very young, 22. So you go good go sign that guy and the guy did tall for area threats. So that's why Arsenal can opt to sign him. So as Arsenal pull out for Emerson Royal, Tottenham Hotspur can swoop in, can go sign him. And now if you check that Tottenham Hotspur game versus Crystal Palace, go see say Zaha used Emerson Royal league soup. The guy won't finish him. So Arsenal fans can they happy. So thank God also buy Tomiyasu because Tomiyasu had a very, very nice game against Norwich and the guy just played 45 minutes. So hopefully against Burnley, we'll see what he will solve. I'm a familiar setting where they interview Tomiyasu for the first Arsenal interview. So they ask Baba say where be in preferred position, where you like to play. We say if they wake up from sleep, say hey wake up, come and play this position, in go play. So Baba can they talk say as in they like this now, he no get any preferred position. Say any of the coaches say me play, now he go play. Say naturally, he can play anywhere for the back line. Can play right back, can play left back, can play center back. You know, can play just for that four. Now back four, he won't play. He can play. Now back three, he can play. He can play DM. So even if coach talk, say me go play for striker. Say he can play for that striker. Say the most important thing be say make him play. Say he just love to play football and nothing else. He just be very, very happy. Say he join Arsenal. We get big pedigree for England. And Baba, we said we dey happy with you, Jare, as we shine against Norwich. Now against Burnley, we won't see you gone. We won't know what you go do. Ray Parlour will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside the talk. Say, for this match now we Arsenal go play against Burnley. If na him be Arteta, say no go drop Ben White and Tomiyasu. Those two people, they very, very important, especially that Tomiyasu. They had a very nice game. Even Ramsdale too had a very nice game. Say no go drop them. Say na just a piece of advice when they give at the time. I don't know what you think. She could drop all those guys, but for me, at the way they start that last match, almost start like that. I bet at most we'll pay Partey and Lokonga for that midfield. Then the striking department will remain the same, but the back line must not change. Make it remain the same. Ben White and Gabriel Magalhaes feel and did there. Then Tierney for left back, Tomiyasu for right back. Everything don't set now. I don't want to know how they want to bully Arsenal backline. No fit possible because when you get top people like Gabriel Magalhaes, Ben White, and Tomiyasu, I want to bully them. Unless maybe they want to throw long ball, go Tierney side, go bully Tierney. But say for that back, at least we get back 4, 3 of them tall. So we want to watch as everything will solve. My dear football lovers, now you will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon waiting there. Toggle up so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.